Welcome to our Christmas house!
Come on in!
Tomorrow's Christmas, we gotta get ready. Mom, we have to make the cookies.
Let's go!
Wait! But we already did it!
Okay, good. Oh my goodness! The hot cocoa! We have to make hot cocoa!
Guys, we got the hot cocoa taken care of.
Yeah!
What about all the Christmas trees?
Look, one of the Christmas trees is up already.
Okay, 1 tree check. Let's check the other ones out.
Christmas tree 2. What about upstairs? Christmas tree. Mommy, come on. Mommy and Daddy's room.
Christmas tree number 3.
We have a Christmas tree in our room. That's Star Wars.
And even in our hallway, we have Christmas tree number 5.
There's a tree in here, guys. But the fun tree is up here. This is the tree that we did on our own. Where's Dad? There's Dad, and he's next to tree number
8. But where's Mom?
It's the best tree of all! The one with the presents! Presents!
From the Mercado family,
Merry Christmas!